Hello guys, I just received this cordless vacuum last night, so I want to show you how to assemble, how to set up. I just got it last night, so let's go. It's very easy, unbelievable easy. So I have here everything is separated, so I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna show you how to, very easy. If you see here, you have to put it like this, and then click here. That's done. And this is separated. Then this one goes here, and then top is going here. It's very easy, see? And if you click here, this one, it starts right away. If you click double, so you see, it's very easy.